So what do you get when you combine a Nerf gun like this with a robot like this? You get this monstrosity of a robot. This here is an RC mech by New Bright, a brand new robot that just came out on the market that fires 50 rounds of pellets at over 100 feet per second. Now, this was sponsored by New Bright, in which if you want your very own, be sure to check out the link down below in the description. So without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox this thing and test it out. So this here is our box, and literally it's one of the biggest boxes we reviewed yet. Now on the cover, it kind of shows you everything that's going on with it. You can actually even open up the door just like that and see the robot peeking through. Now it comes with a controller as well as batteries, even an adapter, so you get everything you need with it. So let's go ahead and open this up and see what's on the inside. Oh! So this is everything that it comes with. It's actually a lot bigger than I was imagining. It's got a 12.8 volt battery. It's a lithium ion, so you can go ahead and recharge it. Here's our charger. So typical like RC kind of style feel to it. So these here are Nerf pellets. Pellets. So they're almost very identical to Nerf balls. So you can actually go and squish them, and they're quite flexible, and you can go ahead and definitely like shoot against things and not really damage anything. Now this here's a remote. It's got that plastic flimsy kind of feel to it. You can actually go ahead and control the movements using the joysticks, and you can even raise as well as lower the cannon barrel as well with these two buttons. You got a fire cannon button as well as a laser assist. So there's a laser on the top here that can go ahead and direct you and show you where you're shooting. So just in a little bit we'll be going ahead and trying it out. Now in terms of the robot itself, wow, that thing's actually really big. So you got these like cannons on the side here. I think they're just more for show. And then you have these treads that allow it to go ahead and maneuver itself, which we'll be trying it out in terms of like an obstacle course. So in terms of loading the cannon goes, you can go ahead and reload the cartridge by simply lifting this up and then just taking out the cartridge just like this. Now you do see that there's 2 in each slot, and you just go ahead and reload it, and then from there you just go ahead and drop it back in place like that, and then you just go and close it and you're set to go. So let's go ahead and put it up to the challenge and give it a test run. So welcome to our proving grounds. We're going to go ahead and start off our mech at this point here. It's going to go ahead and have to maneuver itself around these cones, burst its way through the walls of cups, and then from here we're going to go ahead and maneuver it on top of the carpet and knock down these cups on top of the table, and then knock down the 2 cups on top of the windowsill, followed by the cups on top of the fireplace, and lastly the pyramid of cups. So hopefully this all works out. I'm really curious to see how this plays, just because I have not tried this thing out yet. Now we did need a pilot, so I went ahead and put Cozmo in the pilot seat. So we're going to go ahead and see a first person of that as well. So let's go ahead and try this out and see how this works out. Alright, let's go. Oh, turn the other way. Alright, so it looks like got through the obstacle course. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and lower or raise the cannon just like that. I think that should be good. And then we're going to hit fire. Raise it just a little bit. Alright, well there there you have it. This thing is a lot of fun. Not to mention, it makes a huge mess. Now overall, I have to say the build quality of it is really nice. You get a lot of different materials as well as a lot of different colors and a few different options as well. Now in terms of the movement goes, it is a little tricky. It's almost like trying to maneuver like a tank at the same time as like a robot, so it's really confusing. Now shooting is quite interesting as well, just because the further you go, the harder it is. I mean literally, a slight movement in the gun itself causes a huge gap in shooting. So we actually had a lot of trouble firing the one on top of the fireplace. Now I noticed a few times the back part of it did get stuck, meaning as it's maneuvering itself to go ahead and shoot the next cannon, it kind of gets locked in there, so you have to go ahead and open it up, and fix it, and put it back in there, but it's working in no time after that. Now there's one thing we forgot to try out. It's the firepower. So I'm going to go ahead and volunteer myself and shoot me in the face. So let's see how this works out. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and raise the cannon. Fire. That didn't work the way I was planning. Oh, that hurt like ow! So there you guys have it. This here is the RC MECH by New Bright. Now, if you guys liked this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you didn't, give it a thumbs down, but be sure to subscribe for more videos. Thank you again for watching. We'll see you guys next time. Bye. Ow.